Put your bobbin in here and push, and then automatically it will fill. Of course, it's going from here inside that hole, going here, here, down here, go right away. Put your bobbins, put the thread around it, and push, and you're gonna start working. To thread this machine, put your thread in, go to hook number 1, you come down here, hook number 2, number 3, number 4, and go to this little tension. Then you come down 1, twice. It's very important you know about the big tension. You have to go twice. So you go once, you go twice around, as you see, and going to this tension. You see that tension right here, like that, inside here. You see how this turned? This is how it to be. If you wanted to make adjustment, only little by little, out to release, into tight. It all depends how it looks on the top. If you tie too much, the bottom thread will pull. So make sure you go out to release, into tight, okay? Then you go around here, like that, like this, and your needle position, you have to know the long groove, the outside. This is a long groove over here. It's gonna be the outside, and a half a moon, and here to the inside. Okay, now I'm ready to go. You see the stitch? Okay, and it's sewing with no problem. The most important is twice around you tension. Twice. You have to go 1, 2, and inside that spring. Don't miss that. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company.